In recent time, mini workers shorts are becoming so viral. Do you want to know how to make them? Then just watch the full video, because today AI Explore will show you how to make this video within 2 minutes. So let's get started. First step is generate prompt. I am using ChatGPT for image prompt. This prompt is given in description box. 5 unique idea for script, and I need video prompt also. Now click generate. See, they generate 5 mini worker script here. Just copy and save it. Second step is image create. I am using Leonardo for getting images. You will get 150 credits. Select image creation. Select preset Phoenix. Select the ratio. Select more and click 9:16 ratio. It is perfect for shorts video. Aka just paste the first burger related prompt here. Now click on generate. Okay, they will generate 4 pictures for you. Just select one and download it. It is really cool. Now give the second prompt dental one. See, it is so amazing. Now give your next prompt bakery and forest. Download it. Now give your next prompt makeup one. Download it. We are done with the picture. Third step is making video. I am using Haleo AI to animate. Now sign in. You will get 1100 credits. Click create. Now give the burger picture here. Here, give the video prompt. Click generate. It will cut your 30 credits. It will take some time. Okay, we are done. Just download it. Now give the second picture of makeup. Give the prompt. Wait a sec. It is ready. Now come to the third animative bakery. Now repeat the process to get all the videos. We are done with the videos. Fourth step is sound effects. We need some sound to make our videos alive. Here I am using Pixabay. Just search for sizzling for your burger video. Next, search for makeup type sounds. Now search for bakery sound for your video. Download the sounds as your need. Fifth step is editing. I am here using CapCut. Select 9:16 ratio. Now import the video and audio. Just drag and drop now. Now you have to add background music. Now add the music. You can use transition to make the video more engaging. Okay, I am done with my editing. Just download now. Just make such shorts and make them viral. So AI Explore is signing off today. Take care.